This is a Fallout 4 tutorial on how to assign items as a dependency for crafting recipes to show up in the crafting menu. What you will need is the item that will be used as the dependency. In this case, I'm using recipe A. Recipe A calls upon the keyword testmod keyword. This is the keyword that is attached to recipe A. It is very important you have this keyword attached to your item. Otherwise, you cannot call upon the item in your inventory and the recipe will be uncraftable. Let us go to constructible objects to see how we apply the item dependency. We do not call upon the item as a dependency, we call upon the keyword, and this is get keyword item count. This means the number of items in your inventory that has this keyword attached to it. The keyword I'm using, of course, is testmod keyword A. It can be any keyword you assign your item. It has to be whatever keyword you assign your item, which could be anything you want. As long as you have this keyword in place as a dependency that is called upon, you will be able to craft that item. Now allow me to demonstrate the effects of this in-game. Here I am in-game. I got the cooking station right here. Now let's try to craft it. The custom tab is not even here. So I can't do anything. And that's because I don't have recipe A in my inventory. Let me just grab recipe A, go back to the cooking station, and here we go. We got mod test. I am now able to craft item A. I encountered an error when testing the sample mod. Basically, I created a custom crafting tab, and it seems like the game didn't like that. There must have been something I didn't do right. If you encounter this error, I recommend that you put the crafting recipe under utilities instead of your own custom one. It seems to work then. Now for some reason it's kind of locked up, but you get the picture. The point is my system works. It's just that you might get unexpected errors like these. Hope this helped anyone who had questions. Goodbye.